Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on my latest reviews and recommendations. Today, I am beyond excited to talk to you about the TRSTAY Vitamin C Serum. This serum is an absolute game changer when it comes to taking care of your skin. Whether you're dealing with dryness, dullness, or you just want to achieve that beautiful, glowing complexion, this serum has got you covered. Let's start off by talking about what sets the TRSTAY Vitamin C Serum apart from the rest. Not only does it moisturize and brighten the skin, but it also works to repair and smooth out any imperfections. The potent blend of vitamin C and other nourishing ingredients will leave your skin looking and feeling healthier than ever. I've personally been using this serum for a few weeks now, and I can't believe the difference it has made in my skin. My complexion looks more radiant, my skin feels smoother, and I've noticed a significant reduction in the appearance of dark spots and fine lines. It's like a miracle in a bottle. One of the things I love most about the TRSTAY Vitamin C Serum is that it is suitable for all skin types. Whether you have dry, oily, sensitive, or combination skin, you can reap the benefits of this incredible product. Plus, it's lightweight and absorbs quickly, so you can easily incorporate it into your daily skincare routine without any hassle. If you're ready to take your skincare game to the next level, I highly recommend giving the TRSTAY Vitamin C Serum a try. Trust me, you won't regret it. You can find the link to purchase this amazing serum in the description below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your skin and unleash your natural glow. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.